Jensen Huang just dropped an atomic bomb in Taipei today. He teamed up with MediaTek to create a notebook chip with explosive performance, packing capabilities that used to be exclusive to data centers into a laptop. And the most crucial part is, Huang once again leveraged his network, bringing in companies like Dell, Lenovo, and others. Almost all the mainstream manufacturers have been brought into the fold. Everyone, the AI PC era has officially arrived. Understanding this video is directly related to how you should choose your laptop for the next 5 years. What should you think about A-share Intel concept stocks? Where's the direction for AI hardware investment headed? But do you think this laptop chip, RTX Spark, is all there is today? Not even close. This is just the first move in Jensen Huang's entire game plan. Also, later in this video, I'll talk about Taiwan's crucial position in the AI era. Now, let's talk about this launch event. Why is RTX Spark such a big deal? For the past 30 years, the brain of the PC has always been Intel or AMD CPU. NVIDIA was just that graphics card you plugged into the motherboard. This completely changes the game. It's a full society, CPU plus GPU plus 128 gigabytes. With soldered unified memory, this Windows laptop is built for power. The specs are wild: 6,144 CUDA cores, 1 petaflop of AI power, TSMC 3 nanometers process, and 70 billion transistors. Once exclusive to data centers, these capabilities are now in a laptop. Most importantly, Spark brings NVIDIA's 30-year CUDA ecosystem to a mobile form factor for the first time. What does it mean to bring this into a Windows PC? For the first time, all AI developers, content creators, and professional users can run large models locally with CUDA on a Windows laptop. Apple's Mac Studio achieved unified memory, but it couldn't do CUDA. Windows gaming laptops have strong performance, but they don't have unified memory. For the first time, Spark brings these two things together. So what about Intel in the Windows PC world? Intel's 30-year monopoly may finally be loosening, but PCs are only the beginning. Jensen Huang's real blockbuster move is in data centers. Today, Huang announced full-scale production for the new architecture, and the first customer list is already shocking the AI community. These three companies together basically represent the entire future of AI. With Ribbon's industrial capabilities, the assembly time for a single rack has been slashed from 2 hours down to just 5 minutes. 5 minutes for one rack. NVIDIA is building at the speed of an industrial assembly line. The AI data center Wavy Ribbon is just one part of it. Jensen Huang unveiled the entire infrastructure for the agent era all at once: CPUs, GPUs, networking, storage, security, PC chips, AI factory blueprints, open source models, physical AI models, autonomous driving, and robotics platforms. In his speech, he personally stated that NVIDIA has already evolved from being just a GPU company. Jensen Huang has drawn a circle for NVIDIA as a systems company, envisioning that in every AI application scenario over the next 5 years, NVIDIA will be present. But hidden within this launch event is a contrarian industry insight about Taiwan's true position in the AI era. At the end of his speech, Jensen Huang told the audience, "We achieved this together with Taiwan." This wasn't just a polite remark, it was a fact, because with the complete ribbon system, 150 Taiwanese suppliers and partners were deeply involved. TSMC used its 3 nanometer process to make chips, MediaTek co-designed the RTX spec, Foxconn built the machines, Delta provided the power, NVIDIA and Taiwan did this together. The AI supply chain centers on Taiwan. Recently, AMD CEO Lisa Su announced a $10 billion investment there. Giants, AMD and NVIDIA, are betting big on Taiwan. This means, for the next 5 years, the heart of AI computing stays in Taiwan, regardless of US reshoring efforts. Despite regional tensions and US-China competition, only Taiwan can produce the most advanced AI chips. Taiwan is now the Saudi Arabia of the global AI era, holding the new oil. This is the key insight of this conference. And this is also going to be the most crucial variable in geopolitics over the next 5 years. Finally, let me share a few of my own thoughts. First, Intel's Nokia moment may have officially begun. The core position of Windows PCs is being challenged. Intel's 30-year monopoly in the PC sector has started to loosen from today. Second, the era of vertical integration in the AI industry has officially arrived. NVIDIA is learning from Apple's playbook, but its ambitions are 10 times greater than Apple's. In the next 5 years, every AI company will be forced to pick a side, either go all in with NVIDIA's ecosystem, or build their own. Third, Taiwan's strategic value in the AI era is underestimated. Top AI chip firms are betting their futures on Taiwan. The impact goes far beyond technology. That's all. See you next time.